Hello everybody. This is a magazine display cabinet. I was asked to make this and I was supplied with a couple of pictures that I'm going to show you. I was supplied with this picture. This picture has two of them side by side, and as you can see, you could open those spaces and they have a shelf inside, more space to put other literature inside of the magazines. So if you like to see this video about how do I do this, I'm gonna make a series of video about doing this. The first one is going to be about this the sketch, the first sketch that I did, how do I came up with most of the components that I'll build in this design. Most of them, they come from this sketch. Actually 90% of them, they come from this sketch. I'm using a lot of rectangular pattern over here, so I'm going to explain how to use them in different portion of this series of videos. So if you like this, subscribe to the channel so you could receive a message when I'm posting the new videos. The next one is going to be maybe later tonight or tomorrow, and the first one, which is going to be about the sketch, the first sketch. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.